So guys, ito yung kiosk kung saan natin makakuha yung free picture natin. Purchase tickets. Ayan guys, so may mga options kayo na pwede nyo pagpilian kung saan nyo gusto pumunta. So makikita nyo talaga guys na gumagalaw yung glass floor. Okay guys, quick info pala about Space Needle. So inopen nila to sa public noong April 21, 1962 at umabot sila ng 400 days bago nila mapatayo itong Space Needle na to. At gumastos sila ng next up guys, sasakay tayo ng monorail. So pupunta tayo sa Space Needle. Let's go! Ayan guys, so kung pupunta kayo ng Space Needle, try nyo din itong sakyan guys, monorail. Last year kasi nung pumunta ako dito, hindi ko ito na-try sakyan. So this time, gusto ko siyang ma-experience. Okay guys, pasok na tayo sa loob. Ito naman guys yung price ng ticket pag sumakay kayo ng monorail. So for adult, pag one way, $3.50. Pag round trip, $7. Sa youth naman, $1.75 pag one way. Then pag round trip naman, $3.50. Then mas mababa yung price niya sa mga senior citizen, disabled, and so on. Okay, pasok na tayo sa loob guys. Okay guys, pasok na tayo at sakay na tayo sa monorail. Ito ang itsura niya guys. Pasok na tayo guys. Ito yung itsura ng loob niya guys, oh. Ang ganda. Ganda guys, no? Ayan. Okay guys, so pagbaba nyo ng monorail, may makikita kayong directory. So kung gusto nyo pumunta sa Space Needle, Chihuly Garden and Glass, Museum Pop Culture, so go straight. And then kung gusto nyo naman pumunta sa food court at saka sa mga restrooms, pupunta lang kayo sa right side. Then guys, paglabas nyo sa monorail station, ito na agad ang bubungad sa inyo, ang Space Needle. Ayan siya guys. So ito yung itsura ng labas ng Space Needle guys. Ayan. Makikita nyo agad dyan yung bilihan ng tickets. So sa tickets guys, pwede kayong bumili through online or pwede rin naman mismo dito sa location nila. Tapos sa mga gilid-gilid may makikita kayo dyan ng mga stall. Ayan, may mga bilihan ng ice cream. Tapos meron din mga bilihan ng mga souvenir items dyan. So guys, bili muna tayo ng ticket. So dito lang mismo yan sa labas ng Space Needle. So dito ako bibili ng ticket sa kiosk nila. Purchase tickets. Ayan guys, so may mga options kayo na pwede nyo pagpilian kung saan nyo gusto pumunta. So kung gusto nyo pumunta sa Climate Pledge Arena plus Space Needle, yung unang option nyo piliin nyo. Kung gusto nyo naman is yung Space Needle lang, dito kayo sa middle. Kung gusto nyo naman yung Space Needle Day and Night Pass, ito naman yung piliin nyo, yung pinaka-last. Actually guys, meron ding option dito ng Space Needle plus Chihuly Garden Glass. Hindi ko lang sure bakit hindi siya nag-a-appear dito sa mga choices. Anyway guys, so ang pipiliin ko lang is yung Space Needle General Admission. So ito yung price niya. So for regular, it's $30 to $42.50. Sa mga senior naman, $25.50 to $36. At sa youth, $22.50 to $32. So, select natin tong gitna. Then, one regular. Continue. Then next guys, mamimili kayo ng time slot na gusto nyo. So, ang pipiliin ko guys is yung 6:30 to 6:45 PM. Click continue. And then, Space Needle General Admission. Dito tayo sa pangalawa. So, yung total price ng ticket guys is $44.63. Kasama na dyan yung tax. Then, check out. Then, magbabayad tayo through credit card. Insert credit card. So, select your country. Canada. Postal code. Type L3Y8. Submit. Your tickets are being printed. So, lalabas na dito yung ticket nyo guys. Yan, ito na yung ticket. So, ito yung itsura ng ticket guys. Yan. Kung ayaw nyo naman sa kiosk bumili ng ticket guys, pwede naman kayo dito mismo bumili. Malapit dito sa main entrance. Okay guys, pasok na tayo sa loob. 6:32.
Okay. You can use the left one, sir. Barcode down. You can scan yourself in.
Okay, thank you. Then guys, i-scan natin yung ticket dito. Okay. Guys, kasama na rin sa bayad, may free picture guys. So yung picture, pwede nyo siyang makuha sa Space Needle website or dito mismo sa site nila. Yan. Yep, just gotta wait. Okay guys, so sasakay tayo ng elevator.
It's going to be an incredibly slow 82-second climb all the way up to the top. This is our slowest elevator. I'll go more into detail of that later into our journey. Now, just to give you guys some basic facts about the Space Needle. The Space Needle has a total height of 605 feet or 183 meters, with the observation deck being about 520 feet off the ground. Now, the Space Needle was originally created for the 1962 Seattle World's Fair, along with the rest of the Seattle Center area. That includes the Pacific Science Center, which is located over there to your right, and the monorail track, which is located right behind me. You see that big long thing going into the heart of downtown Seattle. Now, like I said, this is our slowest elevator here at the Space Needle. It is used primarily for freight and employees, but when it gets busy, we do open it up to you guests, which is good because I believe this is the best elevator. Not only do you get extended views of the Seattle skyline, but you also get some beautiful views of our two other headlining views, which is Lake Union to the left and the Puget Sound to the right. Now, the Seattle Space Needle is home to the world's only revolving glass floor, so if you and your party are a little bit afraid of heights, don't worry, because we got a bar to give you some courage. Alrighty, friends, here we are. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Okay guys, so nandito na tayo ngayon sa loob ng observation deck ng Space Needle. So itutur ko kayo guys kung ano-ano yung makikita natin dito sa observation deck nila. So guys, meron sila ditong restaurant. So pag bigla kayo nagutom, pwede kayo dito bumili. So meron silang breakfast sandwich, salmon sandwich, chicken tenders, burger. Then sa mga drinks naman, meron silang coffee, tea. Then may mga non-alcoholic drinks din. Oh, meron ding wine, tsaka beer guys. Kung meron kayong dalang tumbler, pwede kayo dito mag-refill ng tubig. Pag kinulang naman kayo sa pera guys, walang problema. Meron din sila ditong ATM machine. Then guys, yung mga kiosk na yan, so dyan nyo makukuha yung free picture nyo. So guys, ito yung kiosk kung saan natin makukuha yung free picture natin. So sabi dito, i-scan lang natin yung barcode ng ticket. So i-enter nyo yung email address nyo guys and yung postal code. So ito siya guys. So mamimili tayo ng background. Guys, pag okay natin lalabas, congratulations, your Space Needle members have been shared. Okay guys, quick info pala about Space Needle. So inopen nila to sa public noong April 21, 1962 at umabot sila ng 400 days bago nila mapatayo itong Space Needle na to. At gumastos sila ng $4.5 million. Imagine guys, sobrang laki ng ginastos nila para lang mapatayo itong Space Needle na to. So guys, bababa naman tayo ngayon. Pupunta tayo sa revolving glass floor. Okay guys, baba na tayo para makita na natin ang revolving glass floor. So ito yung hagdanan niya. So ito guys yung revolving glass floor nila. So ang itsura. So makikita nyo talaga guys na gumagalaw yung glass floor. Yan, hindi naman siya nakakalula guys. Sakto lang. Then guys, sa pinaka main floor may mga souvenir items. So, may mga t-shirt, eyeglasses, or shades. May mga jacket or sweater. Tapos may mga mugs din. And mga fridge magnets. Meron din silang mga tumblers. Yan. Siyempre guys, di rin mawawala yung mga keychains. So ayan guys, kung gusto nyo bumili ng mga souvenir items, meron dito sa Space Needle. Ang dami nyo pwedeng pagpilian. Ayan. Okay guys, end ko na tong vlog na to. Sana guys ay nag-enjoy kayo sa ating Space Needle vlog. See you on my next vlog guys!